So today's question is, what's the difference between osteopaths, physiotherapists and chiropractors? Now this is going to be a general idea of the main characteristics of each one of this profession. Bear in mind, of course, I might be biased since I'm an osteopath. So physiotherapists, they usually tend to prescribe a lot of physical exercises, and they tend to use less hands-on treatment. Chiropractors tend to have a look at your alignments and symmetries within spine and extremities. They tend to use high velocity techniques, those one involving cracking and clicking of the joints. Their appointment usually lasts around 20 minutes of time. Osteopaths have a more wider range of manual techniques, so they use lots of hands-on treatment. Their appointment usually lasts within 30 and 60 minutes, and they tend to focus on what is causing the symptoms. So they have a look at the whole body, understanding what is holding the symptoms and why are you experiencing that.